path unknown. With every piece, I try to challenge myself to try and do something different from the piece I did before it. There's beauty in copying the designs again and again, of course. But then there's beauty in not knowing and allowing the patterns to come out themselves. I lose myself into the little lines and dots and petals that come out. For I never know what will happen myself. The process of creating is so magical. It's like it has a life of its own and it just comes. There is no stopping it when it begins. For when you get into the zone, there is only one way, and that is the way inwards. The more I let go of my hand as to what needs to be created, and let that be created what wants to be. With every piece, I let go of control. I remind myself that I have control, but yet not having it shouldn't scare me. The art of creating has a way of calming our nerves, bringing us into the present, feeling grateful, and most of all, going within into the silence of our soul. It's a space where time just vanishes. You forget when you sat down and when you need to get up. It slows you down. It makes you connect to the being that is within us. We're so used to seeing from our eyes that we've forgotten that there is another way of seeing also, from the heart. When you start seeing from your heart, the only thing you see is beauty. For that within you is beauty only. And beauty is God. And so are you beautiful. It's taken me such a long time to trust the process, to trust myself, to understand the power of letting go. In the journey of life, there are many times we feel isolated, lost, broken, shattered at times. But the one thing that keeps us going is the fact that we don't know what tomorrow will bring. And the hope that tomorrow will be beautiful. When we don't know what it will be, if we knew what was to happen the next minute, our lives would be so different, so calculated. We would never learn something new. We wouldn't challenge ourselves. We probably wouldn't even grow or evolve as humans. So the path of the unknown is the path of your intuition, is the path that leads you, to your voice. It helps to trust the universe, the creator, the being that you are. It helps to see the world with a different vision, with the eyes of your heart. It opens many doors. Some might be hard to go in, but some you just get taken to. To not know is a blessing. To be unprepared is a challenge. All that leads us to becoming ourselves, becoming that what we are here to be.